Now where's that big ass tower that glares light and shit?
I think you can
Hasta la
only.
vista. Ouch.
Hasta la vista, baby. Hasta la vista, baby. Oh, hey, there's a Sprouse thing.
You know what? I'm growing tired of my hunger. I'm going to kill this chicken.
You'll
Yes.
get salmonella, which decreases your hunger. I mean, increases. Yeah, it increases your hunger.
Man, don't tell me if I got freaking vanilla.
Salmonella.
Vanilla. But this turkey looks so good uncooked. Chicken.
You said it looks so good uncooked.
Ooh, I just found a dungeon.
I just.
Did you?
I'm about to shut those zombies up once and for all. They're getting on my nerves.
Oh
Yes,
god,
I found the tower. Now I know where to head.
Are you serious? Now it's freaking. Don't even think about it. You die.
Wow, it only went up once. Chicken, give me more. Don't run from me, bitch. Where you going? You can't run. Stop the sugar, bitch. There
What
you
the heck
go.
are you doing with the sword? I've never seen a skeleton with a sword. I'm out. I'm out. Oh, damn it. I've died so many times. It's not even getting funny, man.
It's not even getting funny.
yet.
Like, I keep dying by freaking. Oh, get out of my way, tree.
Why are there so many pigs? This is like pig paradise.
Oh, I got poisoned.
How did you get poisoned?
He ate the
Eating raw
frickin'
stuff, alright?
I
Man versus wild, fuck you mean.
I think it means
I'm
two
Bear
block
Grylls,
character versus
and I
wild.
drink my piss.
Oh my god, I'm so I've been lost for like the last, what, 10 minutes?
Are you still lost?
Yeah.
Alright,
Oh,
you
there's a
died,
zombie
and
trying
where
to
did
come
you
after me in
go?
the day.
If you found the tower, that means you should know where to go.
I did find it, but then I remember going straight forward from it.
Why is
No, I
there a
haven't
cow
found-
on a tree?
Fine, you make it like you get a whole bunch of dirt and make it like a tower. And then I'll come back and look for you.
Got you. I'm gonna get to a big tree though.
I'm literally
I can-
tired of these freaking. I'm about to just come down here and wing it. What the heck? Stop glitching into the ground. Fag.
Hopefully I found it. Hopefully this is the place of salvation and eternity to life instead.
I'm literally like really sad I died like 7
Oh, I
times.
found it! Yes!
Where are you?
Yes, I found it. Home, sweet freaking home.
Where are you? I don't even see you.
I already
Guess who has
returned.
dinner?
Nope, I ate it all. What you mean?
Oh, there you are.
Ass.
What the hell is this?
I don't know.
What is this guy doing? Know what? Let's put chickens everywhere. Yay!
I'm hopping back to home.
Nope, the only one little baby chicken. Ah, he escaped too.
Aww.
Poor thing.
Our
What the hell
trees.
is down here? I can't even see. What the hell is this? Who created this magic stairwell to the beginning of our house? Oh wow, so
the-
for food you guys got rotten flesh?
Hey, it's all we can do.
Is there something to cook stuff with?
Yeah, so you can cook some. So it'll be cooked rotten flesh.
Is that possible?
I
Nope.
put some beef in the thing.
Some beef in the stove?
Yeah.
Furnace? Alright. Hold on, I'm getting some wood right now because I'm gonna go... Oh wait, I can go back downstairs and get all my items.
I think they disappeared by now.
Hopefully
Yeah,
not.
they disappeared. Yeah, I just went down there.
Fuck.
Oh, who wants some boots? I found like a lot of cows.
Ooh, I can take some of that. I'll take 2.
Shadow, you get a pair of boots?
What up, bro? I'm trying to get some. Like, I'm trying to make some stuff. I don't need boots. I'm good.
Okay.
Yum, 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 yum.
What do
Here,
you
I'm gonna
want?
put this steak back inside just in case anybody wants it. I found a feather too. So we can
Okay,
do
Luke.
what's up?
Here's your boots.
Okie dokie. What
What the
up?
heck? I
Behind
just.
you.
I know, wait. I'm just gathering my sticks. What? Oh, boots. Hooray.
I hear
Now
way
my
more zombies
girlfriend
than
or
I thought I
friend will
should.
finally notice me. No?
No?
Oh,
Okay.
fuck you, President.
You, President.
I'm gonna create a freaking thing so I can dig,
Olympian.
and I'm gonna create a sword and kick some major ass again.
You only have two cakes as well.
Wow, it's kind of laggy right now. There you go. Yeah, who's down here? What is this? Why the hell is there a baby thing inside there just like doing a 360 like spin?
No, that's a mob spawner. If you take away the torches, the zombies gonna start.
Oh wow. It's bullshit.
You've never seen one?
Nope.
I wouldn't go down there if I were you. I saw a creeper.
I see nothing. How about that?
You ain't seen nothing.
I literally saw a creeper somewhere.
Ow.
Oh, I don't want gravel. Nobody got time for that.
Oh, there's the creeper. Hello, Mr. Creeper. Would you mind
Hold on
mining
a
this for me? Great, he just mined and blew up the C4. I mean, the coal that I was trying to get.
So did he destroy it?
He destroyed some of it.
Somebody was going down here and just mining, weren't they?
I
They
did.
were the opposite side over here?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I could tell.
Ding, ding.
I made my own little
This
mine.
baby chicken over here is just chilling out though at my crib. Check it out.
Our crib. Do you not know what our crib looks like? It's just freaking wood with freaking dirt at the top.
Hey man, better than nothing.
But
I'll have
I
you know.
just fixed up our crib actually.
Yes, I got an actual stone sword. Way more better than that wooden bat.
I'm trying to tell you, man. Even when I play Minecraft by myself, I don't never make dirt huts. I got a crap ton of freaking wood, and I make a little freaking house.
Sometimes I make dirt huts when I'm off somewhere and I don't know where else to go, cause I am not gonna risk it.
I don't even do that. What I do, I get my shovel. I dig 2 deep. I dig like 2 freaking blocks deep, and I freaking put that freaking dirt back on top. I just
Just
chill
because dirt
there.
is more easy, because if a stupid what's his face ends up destroying, it's like, hey, I wonder where else where I can get dirt. Everywhere else.
Oh, nine, you didn't.
You're a zombie.
And there's a skeleton right there too.
Alright, I'm coming down.
Oh, you're down here with me. I'm thinking, how did you know? Who's looking at my screen?
You. Pretty sure I just broke logic.
I'm about to die.
I got a thingy.
Do you have any food?
Yeah, we
There's
have some
some in the
steak
house.
upstairs.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some of that. Oh, lag.
There's pork chops.
What did I get? Is this gravel? Yup. Wow, mushrooms. Okay, so you can make some mushrooms too if you wanted to.
I think the sun is going down, bros.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna go down there. Stupid zombie spawner piece of shit.
I'm still down here.
Man, we need to make this house bigger. We're all just gonna be staying here at night.
Oh,
Just
nope,
staying-
nope. Creeper, 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 creeper.
Oh hell, I'm gonna close this door.
No, not outside.
Oh, I was about to say, you scared me.
It was on the inside. It was on the inside of my heart.
Alright, that's not
Keep
called
my
for, bro.
blood pumping. I got another chest for you guys.
Good. Added separate, so we can put one food, one
I was literally about to. Oh, well, put that right there then.
2
Oh,
furnaces.
hello.
Okay.
Shall I go out and get some more wood?
Somebody's chowing down.
I am, man. I was hungry.
You know, we could just, I forget how to speak. Who took
Wow.
all the meat?
More,
I
more
did.
steak.
Oh. You could just divide it by, like, tools and food.
Was that necessary, bro?